everyone! Today we learn numbers. Lost one. Oh, what is this? 1. 2 white, 2. What is this? 2. Say 3. 3. What is this? 3. 4. 4. What is this? 4. 5. 5. What is this? 5.
6. 6.
What is this? 6. 7. What is this?
7.
I'm 8. What is this? 8. 9. Oh, what is this? 9. The size. 10. What is this? 10.
Let's count together, friends, from 1 all the way to 10. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, counting numbers to the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's count numbers more and more. 6, 7, 8, counting high feels really great. 9 and 10, again. Let's all clap and count to 10. Count along, sing this happy counting song. 1 to 10 and back again. Let's all count from 1 to 10. 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, yay! 4 big hops to make your day. 5 small steps across the floor. 6 more steps, now 10 in store. 7 wiggles, 8 wiggles, fun. 9 and 10, now dance everyone. Count along, sing this happy counting song. 1 to 10 and back again. Let's all count from 1 to 10. Whisper 1, whisper 2, counting softly, me and you. Whisper 3, whisper 4, tiptoe gently across the floor. Whisper 5, whisper 6, magic numbers doing tricks. Whisper 7, whisper 8, whisper 9, whisper 10. Great! Count along, shout the numbers in our song. 1 to 10 and back again. Let's all count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, count once more. 5, 6, 7, 8 feels so great. 9 and 10, now start again. Let's count with all our friends. Count along, sing this happy counting song. 1 to 10 and back again. Let's all count from 1 to 10. Count along, sing this happy counting song. Numbers help us every day. Let's keep counting as we play. Now we counted 1 through 10. Let's go back and start again. Numbers, music, fun and play. Let's count every single